Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to only allow friends to comment on your posts in Facebook using your PC. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. In the Settings and Privacy menu, click on Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Now, click on Public Posts. Step 7. Next to Public Post Comments, click on the button to open it. Step 8. Select Friends from the available options. That's it. You have successfully set your post comments to be visible only to your friends on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.